Okay, so the first step is I'm taking my measuring tape and I'm going to measure 24 inches of yarn. Next, I'm going to measure 12 inches of yarn and I want to cut 10 pieces of this yarn. So I want 10 12-inch pieces of yarn. Then I'm going to measure 10 inches of yarn and I want 10 10-inch pieces of yarn. Next, I'm going to cut 8 inches of yarn and I want again 10 8-inch pieces of yarn. So you can see here I laid out everything, so in all I have 31 pieces of yarn. So I'm using a bead here and this is a 24-inch piece of yarn looped over, and I'm using the hairpin to push that yarn, the loop, through the bead. And with the loop I'm going to slide it onto a piece of stick. Now this is just a stick that I found is dried and I spray painted it gold just to add a little something to it, and I'm going to show you how to create this macrame. So I'm going to try my best to explain it. I looped over two of, starting with the 12-inch pieces, and I looped one loop into the other one. So the loop that is at the bottom, I'm going to place it underneath the string that's hanging, and then the two strings I'm then going to pull into the loop and tie it into a knot. Of course, it is going to be better if you look and see exactly what I'm doing. And I have it here in slow motion just so you could get a better visual as to what I did to achieve this macrame knot. I'm just working my way down, so I started with the 12-inch pieces, then I graduated to the 10-inch pieces, and then I graduated to the 8-inch pieces. So you're going to go the longest at the top, middle, and then the shortest at the bottom. And I'm using a comb. I saw people use, I think it is a wire brush, but I didn't have one of those, so I used what I had on hand. And I'm taking a fine tooth comb, and it was a little bit of work, so the wire brush may be a little easier for you, but I used what I had. And I am just going to basically give this a more distressed look. And I went in with a hard bristle brush because I wanted it to look a little more feathery. So I'm just going in with the brush and I'm brushing both sides to give that more feathery kind of look. So to end off this design, what I'm going to do, the strings that we tied the knots onto, I'm just going to double knot it so that it's secure and so that nothing moves out of place. Then I'm just gonna snip it off, the excess. And I'm going in with my scissors to give this more of a feathered look. So cut, I would say conservatively, which is what I did, because I'm gonna go in again and cut off some more, but just cut away so that you have that feathered like shape. And to end off, to hang this design, to hang this wall hanging, I just used some string and I'm gonna tie double knot it around the ends of the stick. And then I'm gonna go in with some hot glue and a hot glue gun, and I'm just gonna glue down the excess string just to make everything look nice and neat. And this is the end result. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, and if you have not already, go ahead and click my face and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.